Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Madeleine-Centre is the main settlement in the municipality of Sainte-Madeleine-de-la-Rivière-Madeleine on the north coast of the Gaspé Peninsula in Quebec. It is part of the Haute-Gaspésie area and sits along the Gulf of St. Lawrence, where the Madeleine River reaches the sea. The community is surrounded by forested hills and has a long history connected to fishing, forestry, and the resources of the region. The landscape around Madeleine-Centre is shaped by two very different environments. Along the coast is the Gulf of St. Lawrence, while inland the land rises into a large forested area. The Madeleine River is one of the area's most important natural features. It is known for Atlantic salmon, and fishing remains an important part of the identity of the community. In 1871, John Ross of Quebec became the owner of the Rivière-Madeleine Seigneurie. He established a logging operation and a sawmill, bringing new economic activity to the area. The same year, the Cap de la Madeleine lighthouse was inaugurated on the coast. The lighthouse helped guide ships along this part of the Gulf of St. Lawrence and became one of the area's best-known landmarks. The lighthouse is still an important part of the local story. The original lighthouse keeper's buildings were later replaced or modified, and the light was eventually automated. Today, the site is associated with tourism and local heritage. The lighthouse stands near the communities of Madeleine-Centre and Rivière-la-Madeleine and overlooks an area that has long depended on the sea. Another important period came in the early 20th century when the region's forests attracted new investment. In 1917, Charles Mullen of Maine acquired a large forested territory and established the Great Western Paper Company. The company developed a pulp operation along the Madeleine River, including a dam, a power plant, and a railway. The project was an ambitious attempt to turn the area's forests into a larger industrial operation. Tourism has become increasingly important because of the area's natural setting. Visitors come for fishing, hiking, hunting, camping, boating, and access to the surrounding forests. The Madeleine River is particularly important for Atlantic salmon fishing. The coast also provides views across the Gulf of St. Lawrence, while the interior offers access to a much larger wilderness landscape. Madeleine-Centre is a good example of the small settlements that stretch along the northern coast of the Gaspé Peninsula. It began with fishing and resource-based work, developed through logging and industry, and has gradually adapted to a modern economy that includes tourism and outdoor recreation. With the Gulf of St. Lawrence on one side and the forests of the Gaspé interior on the other, the setting has played a major role in shaping this community from its earliest days to the present. Thanks for watching!